And there you have it, the finished lemon pepper wings. Delicious.
One time, if you a savage. One time, two times, just for savage. All you wanna do is just slay. Yeah. All you wanna do is just say.
Hey, it's your girl Jazzy Owens, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make lemon pepper wet wings with a side of fried broccoli. You're going to need some chicken wings that have already been rinsed off, some seasoning salt. I like to use this Creole seasoning. I put it on everything. Some onion powder, some black pepper, some sea salt, garlic powder, and some lemon pepper. I usually like to use this one, but Lawry's also has a brand, whichever one you like. Then also you're gonna need some flour and sugar. So before we start seasoning the chicken, we first want to put our oil on so it can be hot and ready by the time the chicken is done. So as you can see, I like to pour just enough to cover at least half of the chicken. And then while we're waiting, we're gonna put this on medium high. So the first thing you wanna do is mix about a teaspoon of each seasoning together. With the lemon pepper, I'm gonna put a little extra because we are making lemon pepper wings. Oh yeah, one more thing I almost forgot. You want to add a little bit of sugar. So once you got all your seasonings in there, you want to mix that up. So what you want to do next is pour your mixed seasonings onto your chicken. Let this sit about 15 minutes in the fridge to let the seasoning sit in. So that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, so now what you wanna do is take your seasoned chicken that you had in the fridge, and we're just gonna dip that in plain flour. You wanna make sure that you cover each wing evenly into the flour. Make sure that both sides are covered with flour also. So now what you want to do is see if your oil is hot and ready. So what I usually like to do is put a little bit of flour in to see if that starts cooking. So as you can see, the oil is not ready yet. So we're just gonna wait a few more minutes. So it looks like our oil is ready, so I'm going to go ahead and put some of the chicken in. And also you're gonna reduce the heat to medium. So we're gonna let this cook until both sides are golden brown, and I like to make my wings extra crispy. So in the meantime, while we're waiting for the chicken to fry, I'm gonna start making the fried broccoli. You can eat it as an appetizer while you're waiting for your chicken to be done, or you can eat it as a side. So what you wanna do first is fill a deep pot like halfway so that when you put the broccoli in, at least half of the broccoli is in. And we're gonna put this on the heat to let this heat up while we're making the fried broccoli. So I'm just gonna put this on medium high. So what you need for the fried broccoli is frozen broccoli florets, 1/4 a cup of milk, and then we're gonna need 1/4 a cup of flour, some black pepper, garlic powder, salt, and you can use your favorite Cajun season. I like to use Creole seasoning instead, but you can use whatever one you like. And you need 1 large egg. So I forgot to record what I mixed here. So here I basically just mixed together the 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of flour, and 1/4 cup of milk. Then we're gonna let this sit for about 1 or 2 minutes. So let's get back to making our fried broccoli. So remember we already had our egg, flour, and milk that we mixed together. So in another bowl, you're gonna mix another 1/4 a cup of flour. And in here is where we're gonna add our seasoning. So you're gonna add like about 1/2 teaspoon of your Creole or Cajun seasoning that you like. Then we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna add some more garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper, then we're just gonna mix this together. So now what you wanna do is dip your frozen broccoli into the mixture that you made with the egg, flour, and milk. And you wanna coat it in there. And make sure you drop all the excess off. Then what you're gonna do next is dip that into the flour with the seasonings and kind of coat it like you do chicken. And once we do that, we're gonna put that into the hot oil. So I'm gonna do the same with the other broccoli. Broccoli is golden brown on both sides. So once one side is golden brown, we're gonna flip it over. So we're just gonna let this cook for a little. So we flipped them over. As you can see, this one is golden brown already. This is about the color you want it to look. And we're just gonna put this and let the oil drain on the side. And there you have it. That's our fried broccoli. We're gonna check on our chicken. It looks like it's ready to flip to the other side. So you're probably wondering how we're gonna wet lemon pepper wings. So to get the wet effect, you're gonna melt 1/2 stick of butter in the skillet. And to this butter, we're gonna add some more seasonings and a little bit of sugar. Some more lemon pepper seasoning. We're gonna add a lot of this because it is lemon pepper wings. A little bit of garlic powder. And some more black pepper. So we're gonna stir this up. We're gonna let that cook for a little bit. So as you can see, our butter's completely melted. So we have our wet sauce ready. So we're still waiting for the wings to finish cooking. So I'm just gonna set this to the side. So it looks like our wings are done. So I'm gonna remove them to a separate bowl. So when removing the wings, you want to make sure that you're actually dropping off the excess oil before you put them into the bowl. So now what you want to do with the wings that are already done is we're going to get our wet lemon pepper sauce that we made with the butter mix. Just stir it up a little bit because it's been sitting. And we're just going to pour this over our wings. So after pouring it over your wings, just kind of like shake it up to mix it up. And there you have it, your finished lemon pepper wings. Delicious. Thanks for watching my channel. Make sure you subscribe and comment below.
2 times just for the savage. All you wanna do is just slay. Yeah.